Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be unboxing and review the moonO Smart Blood Pressure Monitor. In the box, you'll get a quick guide, user manual, storage bag, USB Type-C cable, cuff by 8.7 inches to 16.5 inches circumference, and blood pressure monitor. This product is the world's first hand pillow blood pressure monitor. moonO provides an entirely new user experience in measuring blood pressure. The design is characterized by the soft padding on which the hand is placed, automatically ensuring an optimal, stable arm position. A size scale on the cuff makes it easy for the user to find their individual size setting again for each measurement. Natural forest green as the accent color aims to relax the user. The readings are shown on the display, the shape of which is inspired by the moon and stored in an app. It provides an entirely new user experience as a blood pressure monitor. The design of the hand pillow not only increases comfort, but also positions the hand in the optimal state for accurate measurement.
Starting measurement. Please relax. Measurement over. Your blood pressure, systolic pressure, 120 millimeter of mercury pillar, diastolic pressure, 67 millimeter of mercury pillar, the pulse, 76 beats per minute. The measurement results is normal. Thank you.
The color screen display makes blood pressure measurements more colorful. Different colors indicate different blood pressure levels. The device defaults to measuring the blood pressure of the left hand. You only need to press and hold the power button and the sound setting for more than 3 seconds at the same time, and the screen will rotate. The device restarts. The screen has been rotated 180 degrees. When measuring the blood pressure of the right hand, the display screen is also facing you. It's easy to install app and connect, just follow me. When the monitor is connected to the app, each measurement data will be automatically uploaded. You can view each piece of historical data.
Starting measurement. Please relax.
When your family's blood pressure is suddenly too high and exceeds the dangerous threshold, you will receive a warning email reminder so that you can contact your family to take emergency measures in time. These data will automatically generate a graphical curve so that you can clearly and intuitively understand the trend of blood pressure.
Measurement over. Your blood pressure, systolic pressure, 98 millimeter of mercury pillar, diastolic pressure, 58 millimeter of mercury pillar, the pulse, 80 beats per minute. The measurement results is normal. Thank you. Starting measurement. Please relax. pressure, systolic pressure, 98 millimeter of mercury pillar, diastolic pressure, 61 millimeter of mercury pillar, pulse, 80 beats per minute. The measurement